Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're using Cash App and you're wondering exactly which state allows you to borrow money from the platform, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'll be featuring the Cash App borrow state, or where the Cash App borrow feature is available within the US. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Alright, so the Cash App borrow feature is a loan or a short-term loan feature within the Cash App that allows eligible users to get a short-term loan from Cash App. Okay, you can get any amount ranging from $20 to $200 depending on your eligibility or your account activity. Okay, so despite the fact that Cash App is available in the US and the UK, it has focused this borrow feature mostly for US users. But however, since the US is an association of states, not all states have so each state within the US has its own banking regulations that require digital payment services like Cash App to or to not offer loan services to customers. And as of now, out of 50 states within the US, only 19 offer this borrow feature. So why this figure hasn't been confirmed by Cash App hasn't released a press or a note on this eligible state. I suggest that out of several researches, I can conclude that this borrow feature is available in just 19 states. And also, if you're eligible, if you're located in one of these 19 states, you might be able to get the borrow feature. Or if you already have this borrow feature, it means you are located in one of these states. So the eligible states that offer this, that let Cash App offer this borrow feature, include the West Coast, the Midwest, and the South states. Okay, so as for the West Coast, if you're located in California, you should be eligible to get this borrow feature. And also in the Midwest, if you're Illinois, Indiana, and lower, you might be able to get this borrow feature, because these are states that allow these are states whose banking regulations authorize digital payment services like Cash App to offer short-term loans to users. Okay, so there are many other states, including the South states such as Alabama, Tennessee, and Texas, and many others. Okay, so there are 19 states as of now that let you get this borrow feature on Cash App. Okay, and if you are located in a Cash App borrow eligible state, you should be able to find this borrow feature just in the more ways to add money section. So okay, if it is available in your state, you'll be able to find it right here. But this state does not guarantee your availability or your acceptance to get this short-term loan from Cash App. There are more eligibility requirements that will impact the way, or that will affect your eligibility for this Cash App borrow. Okay, so an eligibility requirement such as the age requirement is one of the most important. If you are less than 18 years of age, you won't even be able to get this borrow feature. Okay, so besides this state eligibility, you also have the age requirement, and also another requirement is that your account needs to be in good standing and also carry out frequent transactions. Okay, so your account needs to be very active in terms of transactions. You need to show Cash App that okay, you're using your Cash App account for most of your activities. And last but not least, you need to make sure that you've verified your Cash App account and set up direct deposit. Okay, so to set up direct deposit, you even need to verify your Cash App account, because you can't set up direct deposit without the Cash App card, which of course requires verification. So make sure your account has been verified and that you've set up direct deposit, and also make sure that you carry out transaction on Cash App. You use Cash App for your payment needs or for your shopping needs. Cash App is now available for admin stores, so you can just use Cash App as a payment method for most of your transactions. And also you can also use it to make money transfer, peer-to-peer transfers, instant transfers in a regular. Okay, so ultimately the state requirement or the eligible states also play a major role, because if you're located in an area that does not authorize payment services like Cash App to offer short-term loans to users, then there's no way that you get this borrow feature. Okay, so to get a full link to this Cash App borrow state, you can check the video description. I've mentioned all the 19 states, and as time goes on, as more states become available for the Cash App borrow, I'm going to update this list for your own convenience. Okay, so you want to check the video description and the pinned comment to get the link to this Cash App borrow state. Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell to receive our upcoming update. You wouldn't want to miss this update on Cash App because you will be amazed with it. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.